Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with today's trading action. It's Thursday, the 28th of March. All right, no surprise, the markets have pretty much stalled as we wait for the Friday US numbers, the PCE price index. Now, just on the face of the current market, we've got a bit of risk off profile, right? Looks pretty good. The Treasury price is down, which means the yields are up. Okay, that's a stronger dollar, and we are seeing that across the board. And Euro, Sterling, Aussie, Kiwi down, right? So risk off sentiment, which is usually equities off, Euro, Sterling, Aussie, Kiwi down, or the dollar up, right? So that's a nice sort of framework to start with, but that's all well and good. When you come across and have a look at the markets here, as I was saying yesterday, right? We're just drifting through these trend lines. Euro looks like it's got the best sort of setup. Sterling's drifted sideways through that trend line. Aussie, Kiwi, dollar CAD, and even the yen are all doing the same thing, right? So Euro is the only one that hasn't really left the farm, so to speak. Now, just having a look where the sort of major focus will be, there's a few opportunities coming up today. Check out the German retail sales figures. You got those GDP numbers out of the UK, some German unemployment figures, Canadian GDP, and then it rolls into a bunch of second-tier numbers there out of the US, right? Probably the GDP growth rate, probably the key one, but keep it on the jobless claims, pending home sales. Basically, this is like a prelude to the main trading day, which once again will be Friday. Good Friday, thinner markets, and you've got the PCE price index. Now, it is getting blown up on the media outlets as the big data release, but it's not massive, but it is a bit of a key component to the whole economic situation. That could potentially be loose if there's major variance with thinner markets over that Easter break, right? A lot of markets will be shut around that. So you'd think they'd sort of roll that back to, say, Monday, Tuesday, but it's not the case. So today, okay, just I'd suggest taking it easy. I can just scroll up again. There are a bunch of things coming out, but just factor in, right, what is coming out with the price activity in the markets, right? The markets, as we go into Easter, you'd think they'd sort of freeze up a bit, and they are, but that's where Friday's data comes into play. So to me, Euro still has the best technical framework. It's sitting right on that trend line, potential for a break higher if we get strong German numbers today or weak US numbers, right? That's the pick of it. The rest of them are just drifting sideways, and doesn't mean there's not trading opportunities, but they don't look as good as the Euro. Dollar yen, well, we're on BOJ watch, but as I said, you're not going to see much out of those until the dollar turns. It'd be pointless intervening with a strong dollar tone because it'll go down and just come straight back up. All right, guys, that's it from me. Have a good one. Cheerio.